Precipitation reactions occur when an insoluble solid called a precipitate forms by combining two aqueous reactants. The reactants are always aqueous, which means dissolved in water, and at least one of the products formed is a solid. The graphic on this slide shows a precipitation reaction. As a solution of lead 2 nitrate, which is colorless, is added to a solution of sodium iodide, which is also colorless, a bright yellow solid, lead 2 iodide, forms. The solid is formed immediately and forms very, very small particles, which make the solid look like a cloud. Eventually, the solid settles down to the bottom of the beaker and can be filtered out. There's a link in Canvas to a close-up and slow-motion video of precipitation reactions. It's only a few minutes long and well worth the time to view. The reason a precipitate forms is that some ionic compounds have low solubility. Solubility is the amount of compound that will dissolve in a given amount of solvent, which for our purposes will always be water, at a given temperature. Solubility can change with temperature, but we will always assume our reactions occur at room temperature. A solvent is a chemical that dissolves something else. Again, for us that will always be water. If an ionic compound has a low solubility, then it is likely to precipitate out of an aqueous solution, which means it forms a solid or is insoluble. If an ionic compound has a high solubility in water, then no precipitate will form. The compound remains dissolved and is soluble or aqueous.